Students, listen to me. Yesterday, we have read about the dimensional shapes, the 3D shapes.
Morning, sir.
3D shapes. About 3D shape, we have studied, and we will see those 3D shapes I have brought from the laboratory, math lab. For the 3D shape, see, as you have studied about it, name this shape. Students, which shape is this?
Rectangle.
Which shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle?
Rectangle.
Not rectangle.
Yes,
triangular shape. It is prism shape.
Cuboid.
This is triangular base.
Yes, sir. This is prism.
Triangular base and prism shape. Okay. And this one, name this shape. What shape is this?
Cuboid. Cuboid.
Okay. This is cuboid having length, breadth, and height. See, length, breadth, and height both having. Yeah, square base cuboid. You can call it prism also. आप इसको प्रिज्म भी स्क्वायर बेस प्रिज्म भी कह सकते हैं. Okay, this is cuboid or square base prism. Okay, now name this shape. This shape is first of all
Cylinder.
cylinder is round shape. Listen to me.
Pentagon.
First of all,
Pentagon.
name this shape. This shape is pentagon. Na? Regular pentagon is looking.
Yes, sir. Pentagon.
Regular pentagon base is it, and if it having regular pentagon having height also, then it is called prism of pentagonal prism. It is. Man, this is called prism. Prism and pyramid. There is some difference. See, this is also pentagon, but
Yes, sir. Pentagon.
top having single vertex. See, this one pentagonal both, but this is called pentagonal prism, and this one called pentagonal pyramid. What is the difference between this pyramid and prism? See, the pyramid
Pyramid का example बताइए.
pyramid having single vertex at the top. एक ही vertex होता है इसमें pyramid में, but prism having the same base and top both are same. If base is pentagonal, then top will be also pentagonal. Okay, so it has single vertex.
Pyramid का example बताइए.
पिरामिड यहाँ दिख रहा है ना,
एग्जाम्पल.
पिरामिड टेम्पल शेप, टेम्पल का जो पार्ट होता है ऊपर वाला, टेम्पल में स्क्वायर टेम्पल भी होता है, ट्रायंगुलर भी होता है, पेंटागोनल, हेक्सागोनल, जो टॉप होता है दैट मंदिर, वो एग्जांपल है आपके. ओके, तो दिस इज 3D शेप एंड यू कॉल इट पेंटागोनल प्रिज्म. ओके, एंड this is pyramid. The pentagonal base pyramid is there. This one pentagonal pyramid. Okay, and this is, name this shape. Students, name this shape. The base is triangular. Equilateral triangle is there. Okay.
Triangular pyramid. Triangular pyramid.
Triangular. Base is equilateral, but this pyramid is triangular pyramid.
Triangle, yes sir.
Because the top having single vertex, ही corner है top पे. It is single vertex.
Sir, उसका base triangle है.
Base is triangular, but top is single vertex. That's why it is called pyramid.
Yes sir.
Triangular pyramid. Okay. Now, this pyramid. Is it pyramid? Students, tell me, is it pyramid or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir.
Why not? It is also pyramid.
Down part of triangle. Round part of square and
Square
up part of
based.
triangle.
Square based. This is a square based pyramid. Square based pyramid is here. Okay. And this one, what shape?
So this is cube.
This is
Cube.
cube. This is cube. Length, breadth, and height all are same.
All sides are equal.
All sides are equal. You can call it cubical prism also. आप इस क्यूब को प्रिज्म भी कह सकते हैं. यहाँ स्क्वायर बेस्ड क्यूब एंड प्रिज्म बोथ. ये प्रिज्म itself, इसका स्पेशल नेम क्यूब इसलिए है, it has equal length, breadth and height, so it is called cube. Now it is also over. See, name this shape. Cylinder. It is cylinder. All shapes having 3D. ये सभी shape आपको 3D देख रहा है ना? 3-dimensional shapes are there. And this one. Cone. Okay, cone. And this one.
Circle.
Wrong.
Sphere.
Circle is flat, but it is not flat. It is round, so it is called sphere. Sphere is there. Okay. And this one. Name this one.
Circle.
This and this both are circle.
No, sir.
This one is sphere. This one is sphere. And what is this one? Oval. No students. It is neither circle nor oval. It is hemisphere. Sphere का half है. It is called hemisphere. इसको हिंदी में आप अर्धगोला कहते हो. Hemisphere. सर्कल नहीं कहेंगे. सर्कल अलग है और स्क्वायर अलग है. सर्कल is 2D shape, but sphere is 3D shape. And this hemisphere is also 3D because it having height, surface and height having 3D shape. And which shape is this? Which shape is this? Name this shape.
Rectangle.
It doesn't height. It doesn't have height. This rectangle having height also. That's why it is called cuboid. It is cuboid. वीडियो स्टॉप है तो कैसे तुम लोग बोल रहे हो, देख रहे हो कौन? माई वीडियो इज नॉट स्टॉप. योर वीडियो में भी स्टॉप. ये आप मेरी वीडियो,
आपका वॉइस कई बार रिपीट हो रहा है.
हाँ, ये दूसरी किसी की आवाज इसमें आ रही है. मे बी समबॉडी साउंड इज मिक्स्ड. ये आपका कंप्लेन है ना? किसी की आवाज इसमें आ रही है. Okay, I will tell to computer teacher.
Yes, sir.
It will be clear. I am saying to everybody, be in your camera, show your face. All are you listening to me or not? Are you
Yes, sir.
at this online classes? Have you presented or not? show me your face, everybody.
Front, sir.
Rajiv Thakur, you are not, your camera is not on. Ansuman, where is?
Sir, on हो गया.
I want to see everybody, those who are attending this class. Shivam Gupta. Okay. Okay, students. These steps, I have told about these steps, and you have been seen about 3D steps. Okay. Now we will read about the exercise. Before exercise, something question is given. See at page number 110. Page 110.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Do this, man.
Okay, okay, students. Let me see. Let me tell to computer teacher.
The voice is not clear.
तुम नहीं रह सकते हो.
Connect कर दूं. What are you doing? बंद.
सर आप दोबारा कीजिए.
ये अपनी. चल रहा मेरे ही नेट से चल रहा है. वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट पोर्टेबल हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करें और रुको 2 मिनट रुको. हो गया. अभी सही से नहीं आ रहा. तुम अपना पोर्टेबल हॉटस्पॉट ऑन करो ना, सही आएगा. मेरा ऑन करो. नहीं चल रहा तभी ना बोल रहा है. भाई करो. भाई माफ कर दो. करो हो गया. चलो अच्छा हो गया.
नहीं कुछ उनसे फीडबैक लेना था. ऐसे ही केवल बिना फीडबैक लिए तो थोड़े होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सी एट पेज नंबर 110. Page 110. You are seeing? Sound is coming or not?
Yes, sir.
Coming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now open in your book page number 110. Do this question. Question is given. Do this. Okay.
So 118.
110.
110.
हाँ. The question
सर
given.
कहाँ पर नहीं?
पेज नंबर बुक में नहीं है.
एक्सरसाइज 5.9 के बगल पे.
हाँ 5.9 के लेफ्ट में देखो.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do this. A cuboid looks like a rectangle.
Do this.
हाँ. Listen to me. A cuboid looks like a rectangular box. A cuboid rectangular box की तरह दिखता है. आप you can see the keyboard in right side. Okay, and keyboard having 6 faces like this keyboard. See this one keyboard, 6 faces. One this length breadth and opposite that length breadth. This
सर
two,
कीबोर्ड दिख नहीं रहा है, थोड़ा ऊपर दिखाइए.
ये कीबोर्ड में 6 फेसेज होते हैं. ये 3 पेयर शेप होते हैं. 3 पेयर देखिए, ऐसा ही इसके बैक साइड में भी है ना. 2 हो गया और इधर का एक साइड हुआ. देखिए, 1 साइड एंड अनदर साइड. 2 2 4 एंड दिस साइड एंड दिस साइड. Same 3 pair shapes are there. 6 faces. Okay. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Question number 2. Cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of the equal length. Cube cuboid होता है जिसके edges equal length में होते हैं. Students, see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This cube is a type of cuboid also. Okay, cube, and it is a cuboid which all length, breadth, and heights are equal. You can see length,
Yes, sir.
breadth, and height. Both are equal. All 3 are equal. You can see this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you will fill here question number 2 first. It has how many faces?
6. Sir, 6. Six faces.
Page
It
number
has 6 feet.
page number 110. Question number 2.
Sir, 6 faces.
You will fill.
6 faces.
A cube is a cuboid. A cube is a cuboid.
Sir,
You will write this question. आपको ये नोटबुक में करना है.
take keyboard mean.
Cube is a cuboid whose edges are all of equal length.
सर आप सेकंड वाला करा रहे हैं ना.
सकता हूँ.
हाँ, second question. Edges are whose edges are all of equal length.
Sir,
हाँ बोलिए. You will fill here.
सर अब जो द्वार है,
It
सर,
has.
हम अपने से लिख सकता हूँ.
6 faces. 6 faces.
It has.
Sir,
यहाँ
6.
6 faces. You will fill here 6 faces is written. Likewise, you have to fill the remaining part. इसी तरह आपको other questions में भी fill करने हैं. आप केवल मुझे बताते जाएं. How many? Each face has how many edges?
4 edges. Sir, 12. Sir, 12.
4. Each face has. See, this is cuboid.
4.
This cuboid has 4 edges, na? One
Yes,
face.
sir.
One face. Each faces is. Question is each faces has this face. This one face having 4 linings, na? These 4 linings are called 4 edges. Okay. 4 edges. Here answer will be.
Sir, 4 edges होगा.
हाँ, यहाँ 4 होगा second में. And the third faces 4 edges. Then each face has 2 edges. Each face has 2 edges, na? 4 edges. And each face has what is third में क्या होगा? Each face has how many vertices?
4 vertices.
This one face. One face has how many corners?
Sir, 4.
4.
4 vertices.
4 vertices.
4 vertices.
In first you will fill 6, then after 4, then after 4. Okay? Understood? Bolliye?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
for the question number 3.
सर सर किसे
For the question number
सर
3,
वर्टिसेस किसे कहते हैं?
वर्टिसेज कॉर्नर को कहते हैं। करेक्ट। ईच फेसेज हैज 4 वर्टिसेज। एक फेस में कितने वर्टिसेज होगा? देखिए, फोर कॉर्नर्स आर देयर। 4 कॉर्नर्स आर, 4 कॉर्नर्स को वर्टिसेज कहोगे। ओके। नाउ थर्ड नंबर, a triangular pyramid has triangle as its base. I am showing you triangular pyramid. This one is triangular pyramid, and the question is its base is triangle. It is also known as a tetrahedron. इसको टेट्राहेड्रॉन भी कहते हैं, लेकिन टेट्राहेड्रॉन इसको आप कहेंगे या पिरामिड भी कहेंगे। देखिए, टेट्राहेड्रॉन, स्टूडेंट्स, टेट्राहेड्रॉन क्यों कह रहे हैं? टेट्रा मीन्स 4। टेट्रा मीन्स हाउ मेनी? 4। 4 triangles are there. 4 triangles. See, 1 triangle, 3 triangles are upside. Upside 3 triangles are there, and base side 1 triangle is there. So total triangles are 4 triangles. 4 triangles having this solid. That's why it is called tetrahedron. इसको क्या बोलोगे? टेट्राहेड्रॉन। टेट्राहेड्रॉन रेगुलर भी हो सकता है, रेगुलर टेट्राहेड्रॉन भी हो सकता है, जैसे ये। See, this regular tetrahedron, this shape means all triangle are equilateral. How many triangles? 4 triangles are, 3 at the upside and 1 at the base side. If the 4 regular triangles are there in a solid, then it is called regular tetrahedron. But if triangles are, areas are not equal all, so you will call it only tetrahedron. रेगुलर तभी कहेंगे जब ऑल 4 ट्रायंगल्स इक्वल एरिया का होगा। यदि इक्वल नहीं होगा और केवल 4 ट्रायंगल बन रहे हैं इस सॉलिड में, तो आप इसको टेट्राहेड्रॉन ही कहेंगे। ओके। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज फेसेज। स्टूडेंट टेल मी हाउ मेनी फेसेज आर देयर? हाउ मेनी फेसेज?
सर 4।
हाँ, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। 4 फेसेज आपने समझ लिया। 4 फेसेज कैसे हुआ? देखिए, 1 2 3 एंड दिस बेस इज 1 ट्रायंगल 4। हाँ, 4 ट्रायंगल आपको दिख रहा है?
यस सर।
3 triangles are at the upside and 1 triangle is at the base side. That's why 4 triangles having tetrahedron. Okay, your
4
answer.
faces.
4 faces. Sorry, this triangular face. ये faces क्या है? ये triangular है ना, तो आप 4 triangular कह देंगे या 4 faces कहेंगे। इसका सभी face triangular है, तो 4 faces आप भरोगे। ठीक है। And ages, how many ages are there? Your question is belongs to this tetrahedron only. इसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आपको पूछा है। बताइए, हाउ मेनी एजेज आर देयर? टेल मी। दिस टेट्राहेड्रॉन, हाउ मेनी एजेज? काउंट। 3 edges are at the upside. Upside 3 edges are there. Having 3 lining आपको ऊपर दिख रहा है? बोलिए।
यस सर। यस
और
सर।
बॉटम में कितनी लाइनिंग है? 3. How many linings are there? 6. 6 edges are there in a tetrahedron having 6 edges. Are you understanding or not? आपको समझ में आ रही है मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ?
यस सर, समझ में आ रहा है।
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि इसमें एजेज कितने हैं इस टेट्राहेड्रॉन में, तो एजेज को लाइनिंग्स कहते हैं। जो लाइनिंग इसमें बने हैं ना, दैट इज आर द एजेज। तो 1 2 and 3 linings are at the up side, okay, and 3 linings at the bottom side, 1 2 and 3. So how total ages are how many? 3 plus 3? 6. Okay. Now the third one answer, you will fill here.
Sir, four
Corners.
corners.
How many corners are there in
Four corners.
tetrahedron?
Sir, four corners.
Very good. Very good.
Sir,
Four
four
corners
corners.
are there. 3 corners are at the base and 1 corner at the top. So total 4 corners are there. This is the answer of question number 3. Okay. Now students, you can see this face. See, the
Yes, sir.
2 parts are there. आप देख रहे हैं? ये 2 पार्ट हैं. इसको इस पे रख दिया. ये अपने आप में स्क्वायर बेस पिरामिड. It is
Square
cube.
based pyramid.
Both are joined together, and this shape is known as what shape?
Square pyramid.
This is pyramid. ये देखिए, ये भी पिरामिड है और इसमें आप क्यूब जोड़ दिए तो ये टोटल पिरामिड शेप हो गया. This okay? It is pyramid. You can see the temples nearby your locality. आप मंदिर को इस शेप में देखा होगा. Have you seen? आप लोगों ने मंदिर तो देखा होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
मंदिर इस शेप का
Yes,
देखा
sir.
होगा. This mandir shape is called pyramid. Okay, and your answer will, the four number answer is related to this figure. This 3D shape related question is given in question number 4. So I am going to solve question number 4. Question number 4. Shape. This question number 4. A square pyramid has a square as its base. Figure is given in right side of your question in your book. And you have to reply faces. A square pyramid has a square as its base. Faces how many? Faces. Then after edges. Then after corners. Tell me how many faces are there in this shape?
Sir,
How many faces?
Sir, 5 faces.
5? Only 5 faces are there. Count properly. आप ठीक से count नहीं कर पा रहे हो. 6 faces.
7.
How 6
Sir,
faces?
7 faces.
This
Sir, 7 faces.
no.
9 faces, sir.
9 faces. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. The top side 4 faces, and this also having 4 faces,
Right.
and one
This.
bottom is there.
Sir, but 5 faces ना होता है.
हाँ,
Sir, 5 faces ना
ये
होता है.
हाँ ये सुनो, ये यदि सिंगल है तो इसमें 5 फेसेज हैं पिरामिड. इसमें ऐड कर दिया इसे, तो ये ट्रायंगुलर फेस है और ये स्क्वायर फेस. स्क्वायर फेस कितने हैं?
सर,
Okay.
लेकिन आप पिरामिड में तो 4 फेसेस लिखवाए हैं.
4 फेसेज लिखवाए हैं. कहाँ लिखवाए हैं 4 फेसेज?
Sir, स्क्वायर बेस पिरामिड में तो 5 फेसेस होते हैं.
ट्रायंगुलर में 4 लिखवाए हैं. ट्रायंगुलर पिरामिड में 4 फेसेज होता है. ये स्क्वायर पिरामिड है, इसमें 5 फेसेज होगा. स्क्वायर पिरामिड इसमें, लेकिन इसमें लिखा है जो हाँ ये ओके. इसका नहीं पूछा है, केवल इसका पूछ रहा है. आपका जो बुक में फिगर दिया है, देखिए यही फिगर दिया है ना. सी इन योर बुक, दिस फिगर इज गिवन.
Yes, sir.
तो केवल ये फिगर दिया है, तो इसमें फेसेस कितने हैं?
फेस होगा सर
इसमें केवल
5
5 फेसेज हैं, 1 2 3 4 एंड दिस बेस 5 फेसेज आर देयर। हमने समझा कि ये भी दिया है, लेकिन ये नहीं दिया है, ठीक है। फिगर में आपको केवल ये दिया है फिगर। ओके, एजेस कितने हैं? हाउ मेनी एजेस आर देयर? टेल मी, हाउ मेनी? बोलो, हाउ मेनी लाइनिंग्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 and 4 base. How many total?
8 4
8 edges are there. And corners, how many corners are there? Corners means vertices. How many vertices?
sir 5
5 vertices.
sir
Huh?
5
This 4 one and one top. 5. 5. Okay. And the fifth one question, it is related a triangular prism. Triangular prism, I have shown you. A triangular prism looks like, save the kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope, you have seen this type of prism are there. You have seen already, I think. And those who have not seen, please see this. This is triangular prism. It has triangles as its base. Its base having triangle, na? Okay. How many faces? Count the faces.
sir 1 2 3 sir 5
Then 5.
Faces, edges, and corners. Okay, okay. Let me write. Edges and corners.
बाबू अब बाहर भागो, मैं बस 10 तक गिनने वाली हूँ।
Students, tell me how many faces are there in triangular prism? How many faces?
Sir, 5. Sir, 5.
बताइए.
5.
No, not 5. 5 is wrong. See, this is not. You have told 5. आपने 5 बताया. 5 बताया है, सही बताया है. देखिए 1 2 3 3 तो 3 आपका ये सामने से दिख रहा है ना. 3 are at the front and 1 is top and another is bottom. Top bottom 2 faces and front faces are 3. Total 5 faces are there. Okay. Don't talk, students. आपस में बात ना करें. How many edges are there in this pyramid? Tell me. How many
Sir,
edges?
9 edges. Sir, 9 edges.
9 edges.
sir 8
Yes, sir, 9
Okay,
edges.
count. Let us count. 3 plus 3 and 3 are front. 3 plus 3 plus 3. 9 edges are there. And how many corners are there? How many corners? 6 corners are there. Okay. So the answer has been filled. Okay. आपने इसको आंसर को भर लिया होगा. And exercise, there is very less time is remaining because 10 minute time was going on. And I have 9 minutes only. Okay, no problem.
मम्मी पहले पढ़ावे जा ना तो मिल ले अरे का काम
Now see at exercise 5.9, page number 111.
Yes, sir.
You are seeing?
पहले लिंक करे हमारा नाम लिखाई रही
Are you seeing? Exercise 5.9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The first question is to match. You have to match the figure with their name. Figure को
बैठ के बुझाते ही नहीं
इसको मैच करना है उसके नाम से. Somebody is talking. Students, आपको बात करना है तो अपना माइक को म्यूट कर लो. Don't talk. Don't disturb your class. Somebody
भी मैच
talking
करना है,
always.
कॉपी में भी लिखना है.
कॉपी में लिखना है. हाँ, जो मैं लिखवाया हूँ कॉपी में लिखना है. मैं तो शुरू में ही बोल दिया ये लिखना है. आपको
आप लिखवाए वो तो लिखना है सर. ये मैच द फॉलोइंग.
मैच द फॉलोइंग भी कॉपी में बनानी है. Okay. Cone.
Yes, sir.
Students, tell me which one is cone? First, second, third, fourth figure.
Second.
Second is cone. Okay,
Second.
okay, very good. Sphere. Which one is sphere?
Sir,
Figure number.
Fourth, sir.
Figure number 4 is sphere.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
And cylinder. Which number is cylinder?
Fifth. Fifth, sir.
Okay, fifth number is cylinder, right? And which number is cuboid?
Third.
Third number is cuboid. Very good. And pyramid, which one?
First number, sir.
The first number is pyramid.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Now the first question has been completed.
हाँ हमारा को बुझाला मम्मी ने
First question has been completed. इसमें कौन बात कर रहा है इसमें? Why you are talking always? The class is disturbing. Don't talk. If you want to talk, if there is necessary, you should mute yourself. आपको बात करना जरूरी है तो अपने को म्यूट करके ही बात करें. Otherwise your voice is going to everybody, students as well as me also. आपकी आवाज मेरे पास भी आ रही है और पूरे स्टूडेंट्स के पास जा रही है, इसलिए आप पर्सनल बातें करना हो तो म्यूट कर लीजिए. ओके. सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2.
Give two example of each step here.
Give 2 new example of each shape.
Two new example of.
ओके
सर ये
स्टूडेंट.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के लिए है ना?
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आप एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है, अदर 2 एग्जाम्पल यू कैन राइट. जैसे कौन बनाया है ना, आप अदर 2 एग्जाम्पल
sir.
कौन का बना सकते हैं.
जैसे सर बर्थडे कैप भी बना सकते हैं.
ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. व्हाट शेप इज दिस? उस नेम लिखा है, आप उस शेप का नेम बताएंगे. ऑब्जेक्ट का नाम लिखा है, जैसे योर इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स. योर इंस्ट्रूमेंट बॉक्स like this box.
Keyboard.
Suppose this is your instrument box.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, keyboard.
Keyboard shape na? Okay.
Keyboard step.
And the B part is a brick.
Sir, keyboard.
Brick
Sir, ये भी keyboard होगा.
brick is also a keyboard shape. Okay. And the C part, a matchbox.
सर ये भी keyboard होगा.
Matchbox is also a keyboard.
Keyboard.
A road roller.
Sir, cylinder.
Road roller is like this
Sir,
step.
cylinder.
This is cylinder, road
Cylinder
roller.
shape, sir.
Okay. And a sweet laddu. Laddu you always eat. Huh?
Sir, sphere.
Laddu is square shape.
Sir. Yes, sir.
And Lal Mohan. Lal Mohan is which shape?
क्या सर?
Lal Mohan.
Sphere.
Square shape.
Sphere.
Okay.
Sphere. Sphere.
Okay. Now this exercise has been completed. ये exercise complete हुआ.
Yes, sir.
And I think 5-minute time is
मशीन
remaining.
नहीं में बा
5 minutes.
सर एक बार फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए.
किसको?
Sir,
Second number. Which question? Which question you want to
सर
repeat?
सेकंड.
Second.
Sir, E.
सर
मैं पूरे को रिपीट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 रिपीट करता हूँ. Listen to me. Your instrument box is keyboard shape. A brick is also